video, we are going to tell you and discuss to all of you about the functions of gerund. I know that some of you already knows about its functions. Gerund can function as a positive, subject complement, object of the preposition, and direct object. But first, before we will going to proceed about its functions, let me first define what is gerund. Gerund is referred as verbal nouns because they look like verbs but functions as a noun. Most commonly, they ends with ing. Let's say for example, singing. Sing is a verb, but because it ends with ing, it can now function as a noun. First function is gerund as a direct object. We can tell that gerund phrase is a direct object if it tells about what is the receiver of the action. For example, Jade loves playing after school. So its structure is the subject, the action verb, and the receiver of the action. We can easily spot direct object because it always preceded with a main verb. Like for example, the word loves. That is gerund as a direct object. Now let's talk about gerund as an object of the preposition. Preposition is a word that joins another word in the sentence, such as on, at, until, that can be used to link nouns, pronouns, or gerund, which shows time, location, or to introduce to an object. For example, Maria is best in drawing cartoons. The preposition in is needed before the gerund drawing for it to make an object of the preposition. Remember, when you use a verb after the preposition, you must always use it as a gerund in order your sentence to be clear and make it sense. And that's it, gerund as an object of the preposition.
I'm going to talk all about the gerund that function as a subject of a sentence. Gerund as a often used as a subject of a sentence to talk about the activities, behaviors, or opinions. Gerunds are always singular, and when they are used as a subject of a sentence, the verb that follows takes the first person singular form. Here's an example. Cooking is my hobby. Cooking is a gerund that functions as a subject of a sentence. Is the verb that follows the first person singular form. And that is the gerund that functions as a subject of a sentence.
This time, I will be going to discuss to you about the gerund function as an appositive. Gerund as an appositive, it is easy to spot and identify because they are usually separated with comma. For example, his hobby hunting is quite dangerous. So the gerund as an appositive here is hunting, the word hunting. But if you take out the word hunting, this sentence is still okay and still a complete thought. And that is gerund function as an appositive.
At this time, I will be going to discuss about gerund as a subject complement. So what is a subject complement? Subject complement is a noun that follows a linking verb. What is linking verb? Linking verb is a form of verb to be, such as am, is, was, were. Here's an example of gerund used as subject complement. The group's main goal is eliminating poverty. So the word eliminating is a gerund that acts as a complement of the subject goal. And that is gerund function as subject complement.
Hi everyone! Thank you for watching our video. We hope that you learned something. Bye-bye! Thank you!